Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily unblock someone in the Facebook app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, write comments under the video, and let's get started. And open up the Facebook app on your phone, and then go to the menu section. Then, in the top right corner, click on Settings. On the gear to go to Settings. And here sag down a little bit, you can find the blocked option. Click on that, and you'll be able to see a list of people that you've previously blocked. And to unblock some person, just click on the unblock button in front of their name. Then you will need to confirm your action. Click unblock again, after which the person will be instantly unblocked and you will be able to see their photos and updates on the main Facebook page, as well as correspond and see all their posts. That's how it is, friends. You will be able to unlock someone in the Facebook app with ease. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon. Thank you for your attention.